Hello, and many thanks for this invitation to the semi-final round of the ASM Grand Challenge. We are excited to be here. I'm the main applicant, Ahmed Bassett, Head of Digital Innovation at Solidaridad West Africa, and I'll be presenting our Go Solution Suite today. Joining me are...
I'm Monique Vani, Global Digital Innovation Manager at Solidaridad.
And I am Yao Opoku, Program Manager for Gold in our West Africa region.
We are here to present the Go Solution, a digital suite designed to speed the uptake of best environmental and social practices by ASM miners, our main users, while improving their access to market and finance. At the same time, the Go Solution would allow the miners to ethically share their valuable data with our customers, downstream buyers, NGOs, donors, and governments, enabling those actors to directly contribute to good practices and to improve sourcing policies. The Go Solution integrates a powerful, proven incentive, the concept of rewards. The idea is that miners earn reward tokens for good practices, like reducing mercury use, respecting protected areas, and using the field tool on a regular basis. With data, volume is key to groundbreaking insights and impact. Solidaridad has the footprint to scale quickly, enabling us to reach 1 million users within 5 years. The Go Solution focuses on 3 big interconnected problems in the ASM sector today. First, as you know well, the ASM is causing severe damage to water resources, biodiversity, and human health in nearly 80 countries. In Ghana, an incredible 60% of rivers have been damaged by mercury use and erosion from ASM. Secondly, transparency is low in the supply chain and reliable data is fragmented at best, all at the same time when ASM is growing rapidly. Thirdly, there is a tremendous digital divide across the supply chain. For this reason, we design our approach with the needs and abilities of the main user, the ASM miner, at the center of the design process. Most digital tools in the sector today simply reinforce the digital device. The technology, and therefore the power, is in the hands of third parties. The miners fall further behind other actors in the supply chain instead of having the tools to meaningfully connect, engage, and improve. We urgently need to change that.
So what is the Go Solution? It's a digital suite that includes 5 interconnected parts, as you can see here: IVR, CMS, and 2 apps to use in ASM regions. These connect to an international platform. It sounds complicated, but in reality, it's a pretty basic setup. The IVR enables mine workers to exchange basic data for advice. 27% of miners in Ghana are illiterate. IVR allows us to reach them. Miners get phone calls on their very basic feature phones, where a recording takes them through a basic script of Q&A, so we can exchange information and provide them with advice that makes sense to them in their local language. We have also designed an Android-based app for mine managers to receive tailored work plans based on the data entered. The content currently benchmarks practices against the craft code, which includes a range of environmental and social criteria. We are now connecting our field tools to Pink, our data and impact platform. The platform already tokenizes farmer data sets and connects them to powerful analytics for industry players to manage their sourcing policies. And for investors, Pink as a platform can connect to a variety of very clever and data-hungry initiatives out there. Our currency is field data, which is secure, ethical, and accurate. When customers such as downstream gold buyers purchase tokens, the investment goes straight to the miners who share data or have adopted new behaviors such as reducing mercury use or respecting protected areas. Miners can redeem their rewards for cleaner, more efficient processing equipment, PPE, or they can pool resources to buy larger ticket items like mercury-free shaking tables. There are over 1 million ASM miners in Ghana and 40 million globally. We project that by 2025, we can aggregate data from 1 million miners through our own field tools, as well as other organizations' field tools, hosted on our Pink platform. We plan to add 2 additional countries, such as Kenya, Tanzania, or Ivory Coast. On the consumer side, we see very promising potential. For instance, among electronics, jewelry, and automotive brands, especially in 2021 and beyond, when a new EU conflict minerals law goes into effect.
We're really excited with that, the ASM Challenge Prize. We could focus specifically on reducing the impacts of ASM to water, one of the resources most impacted by mining. By 2023, in our project area in Ghana, we're aiming for a 30% reduction in mercury use and a 25% reduction in erosion and siltation. We are not aware of any other tool that has been developed and tested for this type of use in the ASM sector, so our tool is truly groundbreaking. We believe that our design focus on miners themselves makes our approach absolutely essential in this time. In addition, Solidaridad brings in-house scaling potential amongst users that's unparalleled among NGOs in this space. Our tool is very adaptable, and many companies have told us that they need data like this, giving us good market potential. You can read in detail later on some of our qualifications. Solidaridad has a strong track record. We've been around for 50 years working with small farmers, but we're still pretty new to the digital space, and our mining program is one of our newest at 10 years old. So Gold Solution is like a startup venture for us with a deep, stable experience of our network to draw on. To attract customers, we need to get good volumes of data flowing early on and lots of miners on board. So without the Grand Challenge Prize, we may not be able to achieve the volume that we need fast enough to satisfy data-hungry consumers. The Gold Solution business model is about encouraging collaboration. So what we're trying to achieve is a basic foundation of ethical, secure, and meaningful data collection at field level. We want to bring everybody in and create a foundation, a platform for data collaboration.
Here, you can see our main risks, issues around ethical use of data and data loss, the risk that miners won't use a tool or enter enough data for meaningful learning, limitations in infrastructure, especially around mobile networks, plus the cost to tailor the content to new countries' standards or minerals. We have proposed mitigation measures for each, and we invite you to review this in more detail. Our team includes a core team of Ahmed, Yao, Monique, and Jennifer Horning. Together, we are experts with over 45 years of experience in digital solutions and ASM, from mine to market. We started our design and pilot phase in Ghana in 2019. We are now scaling up our users in Ghana. In 2020, we will develop our business case and marketing materials for our customers, as well as moving parallel to our pink and link it to field tools. In 2021, we will fully realize the rewards program and invite others to join the platform.
We will expand to one new country in 2022 and an additional one in 2025.
We thought we would provide some additional clarifications based on the feedback that we got on our pitch in the last round. So, in order to reach our growth targets and have the impact we hope to have, we are going to focus our attention on features of this digital suite that will enable faster scaling. Through a smart user journey exercise, we will understand what incentives can motivate miners to participate and also to encourage them to promote Gold Solution among other miners. We can also easily scale through partnerships and incorporate other field solutions into the platform. We will ensure that all personal profile data is kept strictly private, and will communicate this to miners so that they will feel more open to share data, even if their practices are not yet ideal. All insights marketed to downstream actors only contain aggregate data. We can share individual data for storytelling and help farmers access finance by connecting them to financial service providers with their informed consent. IVR is a good tool to reach scale because although internet connection may be sparse in some areas, general phone reception is relatively good in the towns where miners go sell their gold. Additionally, our Android apps are made to work offline and will upload and download content only when they are connected, but they function fully in the field without reception. Our platform, Ping, is unique in that, unlike other digital solutions that we've seen, it enables direct investment into communities to sustain the interaction between upstream miners and downstream market actors. It can also host a variety of organizations' field tools and different analytic solutions. offering an opportunity to aggregate data and allow other organizations to connect to downstream users. It's this mechanism that allows faster scaling, and we plan to communicate these benefits to downstream gold buyers and to other organizations working with miners on better practices, including other finalists here, and invite them to participate.
In closing, we want to say that the gold solution has an incredible potential to change behavior and protect water, biodiversity, and human health in Ghana and beyond. It is innovative, scalable, feasible, and has a clear plan for financial viability. Please check our appendices for statistics to support what we've shared here today. We'll be honored to partner with Conservation X Labs to put these groundbreaking tools in the hands of ASM miners.